Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. I do have Kyla Lovely here, a mortgage broker. Um, I have decided to interview the best of the best in, our industry. Um, Pretty much a local expert. We're doing Village area right now in Vaughan. So pretty much Kyla service that area. So I'm doing this interview to actually pass on to my beautiful clients and friends and family a great mortgage broker. Hello, Kyla. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you so much for having me, Eden. Appreciate
Thank you
it.
so much for coming. So yeah, we're gonna have a few questions for you. Please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Okay, great. So I'm Kyla Lovell, and I'm a mortgage broker with Mortgages of Canada. Super excited to be here. And yeah, that's
Well,
me.
I have a few questions for you. Like as I say, you kind of introduce yourself. I have a question for you, Kyla. How did you choose? I mean, you're a family person, you have three children. You've always been there with, anytime we can servicing my clients. First of all, I want to say thank you so much. And most people have to say only positive stuff about you. So my question is, how did you choose to be a mortgage broker?
Yeah, that's a great question, Eden. Thanks for asking that. So I decided to be a mortgage broker because I really like the industry of finance. And I wanted to be able to help clients be able to achieve financial freedom. And a good way to do that is to be able to purchase real estate. So I got into the mortgage industry shortly afterwards, and I've been helping clients ever since.
Awesome. And how long is that?
So since 2015 is when I actually got licensed, and I've been doing that for about 8 years, almost 9 years, helping
So you
clients
have an experience.
achieve, yeah, helping them get the biggest purchase they can get in their lifetime.
That's
Yeah.
right. That's right. And especially right now, as you know, Kyla, has been a very stressful season since interest rates are really, really going up. And you've been so helpful shopping around for the best rates that you could possibly find. Tell us, who are your clients?
So my clients are typically, I would say anybody, of course. I like them to come in young, older. We work with them from the beginning. Maybe you may not qualify right now, especially since interest rates are so high and astronomically big, the mortgages and payments. But we like to work with you, help create structure, look at your plan, look at what's available to you, look at what you can qualify for. So really anybody can fit into that category.
Mhm.
If you don't have good credit, we can still get a mortgage for you. If you have great credit and great income, that's a bonus. Okay. So, but
That's great.
anybody we work with. Mhm.
That's awesome. That's great. And still, purchasing properties under 500,000 is 5%. And anything above that will be 10% plus five. That's the requirement for down payment generally, right?
Well, if you are going with an insured mortgage and you plan on putting down less than 20%, then yes, that's what it's going to be. Yeah. So
Could you go
five
ahead and
percent on the
explain?
first 500,000, and then 10% on anything over 500,000. So it's usually up to a million to about 6.67%
Mhm,
approximately that you're going to be putting as a down payment for
mhm.
a property that's insured.
Under a million. So could you explain to my people again, what do you mean insured mortgages?
So, an insured mortgage is a mortgage that's insured by CMHC, and that's a Canadian Mortgage Housing Company. And that is the company that's going to insure the mortgage for the bank. So, that gives the bank security in case you were to default on that mortgage, then the bank would be paid off. And because it's insured and the bank has that comfort level, they're able to offer you a lower interest rate
And with the
as
lower down
opposed
payment.
to uninsured. Yes, they're going
Exactly.
to offer a little bit higher on the A side in terms
Right,
of the
right.
interest rate. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. And my final question for you is with the uh, uh, Bank of Canada, the rates on October 25th, thank God they didn't, raise the rate at that period. Yet there's another date coming. Tell us the date and kind of what you expect to happen.
Okay, so the next announcement will be December 6th. So that's a date for people to watch out for. Obviously, October 25th, they did not raise the rates, but some of the lenders did increase their rates slightly, and they have a right to be able to do that. Now, December 6th, I'm expecting for them to also hold the rate because there's been a lot of uncertainty in the market and it's become a buyer's market. So they want to kind of stabilize that and not push us any further into debt. So I'm expecting a rate hold on December 6th.
I hope that's the case. Thank you so much, Kyla. So pretty much everybody, again, this is Eden with Remax at 416-918-5979. If you would want the service of Kyla, we have a cell phone number for her. We'll have her email address. She's so happy to help you out promptly. So reach out. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.